This is the disc golf forehand drive. So our cue words are going to be make an L to grip the disc like this, and then face your target, rotate your body back, drive the elbow, and flick the wrist. So I'll give you a demonstration of the skill using the cue words. Make the L to grip the disc, face your target, rotate back, drive the elbow, and flick the wrist. Some teaching tips for the disc golf forehand are that the greater or more exaggerated the elbow motion is, the farther the disc is going to go, but it's also going to be more difficult to control. Some common mistakes are not using enough wrist flick, and the disc will kind of wobble through the air. That's how you know you need to use more wrist. And then another common mistake is just not releasing the disc flat. So make sure you release it flat so it travels well through the air. I'll show you one more time using the cue words. Make an L to grip the disc, face your target, rotate back, drive your elbow, flick the wrist.